Hi. So I just put my whole train horn setup into my mom's car in the trunk. I just showed you in it. Okay, so she ordered something yesterday for it. The thing she ordered yesterday was just something that turns DC 12 volt into AC 110 volts, I guess, yeah. And it's coming today. She ordered it yesterday, it's gonna come today. And that thing, it has one of those outlets. Thingy's not, well, I'll just show you so it's more easier. So in here, it has a plug that goes into one of these. Then there's a box, and I guess it just turns into AC 110 volts. So look, but the outlet to put it into that box, you need to have it with this because it has the outlet for this. The outlet, yeah, the thing that goes into this little hole. It has. Plus, there's one of these in the trunk. Look, there's literally one of these in the trunk. I'll show you. Sweet. It's one of those in the trunk, literally. Look. Oh my gosh, it's not closing. Not showing you my license plate. But this is it. This is one of my horns. And then here's my other horn with a panel. And just like I said, there's one of those things in the trunk right here, right next to it, right here. It's one of these, so I could just have that little thing coming out from here. Plug the thing into there. So it's good that's there. I found it, one of these there yesterday. And that's what I'm going to be doing. And the thing's going to be coming today. Bye.